getting ready to go out for dinner to celebrate being together for 5 years. And as a female businessman, I was just cleaning my gun because I always have to.
I had a trance. I hear God as a man hears his friend. And the Lord said, Pastor, point and kill. I said, Lord, what said thou?
Wool up.
And the Lord said, I will give you your bone of your bone and your flesh of your flesh.
Hallelujah.
What happened is it?
So when the Lord said it, I was in jubilation.
Hallelujah.
You see, I said, Lord, but thou knowest, I know no woman. The Lord said, don't worry, I will perfect everything. And the Lord even gave me a preview. The same clothes you are putting on.
Hallelujah.
The same face. I said, Lord, you know I like them. You know, the way the shape you are shaped. You see? So the Lord said, this is it. When you walked into my office, I said, Lord, is it not what you showed me? And the Lord said, Son of man, the day of jubilation is here.
But Pastor, the problem is you don't understand.
As I speak to you,